Hey folks, this is Basant here, and in this video I'm going to show you the way with the help of you can turn your Google Sheets, Notion or even the Airtable into the website here. So I have tested out this platform. This is the Shareables. All you have to just choose the Google Sheets or the Notion or the Airtable for the database, and it can just turn them into the beautiful table kind of the website here. So I have tested out with few of the templates here, and first of all let me show you. This is the e-commerce store I have just built connecting with the e-commerce. My spreadsheet here, you can see this is all the images and the product information, and they have also a dedicated simple page available. There is the even shop now button working out, and this will work out at the checkout here. Okay, so this is the one example I have showed you. This is the second example, and this is the job portal I have built out, and here you can see I have the different kind of the jobs. I can just click here on the see more, and it will give you the more kind of the information on this job things. Okay, and if you want to do changes, like you want to change the layout, there's the layout option. You want to add the covers, title, you want to change the design, you want to add the filters, and here you can see I have just added the Google Sheet for the giving out all this job information here. Okay, so this is kind of the things you can build out on the Shareables, and the best part, it has the tons of templates available. Whether you want it for the e-commerce, you want to create the directly kind of the website, you want the content like the blog or resource library, we have the businesses, we have the services, and we have all the other kind of the layouts available in which we can create the custom layouts here. Okay, so this is how this platform dashboard look like. You have to simply click here on the create a widget, and after that you have to select what kind of the thing you want to build. Suppose I want to create a e-commerce store. Okay, because this is the thing, something kind of the advanced we can do, and building on a spreadsheet or the Notion, it's really good thing. So I will click here on the open preview. It will give me the preview how this thing look like here. Okay, so this is how it's look like pretty fast. Okay, now I will click here on the use template, and after that it will ask us which I want to use for the database, like Google Sheet, Airtable or the Notion. So I will go with the most easiest and the free one, that is the Google Sheet, and after it will going to connect your Google Sheet. Suppose you haven't connected, and it will show you the connectivity, so you have to select that Gmail account and simply connect your Google Sheet, and after that you have to click here on the continue. Now it will do on everything. Now it will did everything automatically, and your e-commerce site is ready. You will get the link here. You can also connect the custom domain here. Okay, so once that is the link is active, you can just go to this link and actually check out this e-commerce store is looking how or not. Okay, if something went wrong, please try again. Let me try again here. Okay, I know why it is. I haven't published the site yet. Okay, so simply click here on the publish, and now it is done. So once the publish process is done, I got it here. Now what I can do, I can just got the link here. Okay, and now this time it is going to be load up. I can guarantee you. Yeah, you can see this is loading up. So I can just open up. Let me open up this one, and you can see this is actually pretty good and fast. I will click on the shop now, and okay, it is just redirecting me to example shop. Okay, I have to connect a shop here. Okay, no worries, I got this. How can do that? Okay, so what I have to do, I have to go to the sheets. Okay, so I can show you how the its database is going to look like. It is going to automatically install the database in your Google Sheets account here. So let me open up my Google Sheet. Okay, this is not the account I have connected. Let me go to that account, and now you will see I have the e-commerce sheet will be the automatically added here. Okay, you can see April store, it is automatically built. So let me open up, and here you will see it is pretty beautiful. Okay, because you have the rows and the columns assigned already. If you want to do the changes, like you can see, you want to change the product name, this is the name, this is the description, this is the price, this is the image. You have to simply add the image link that you can host on the Google Drive or the other kind of the website that lets you host the or add the website images and give you the links. Okay, then this is drop, sizes, color, status. Okay, so pretty much simple. You have to manage all this database, and this will be updated on your April store here. Okay, so that's how this thing is done. I have also did that with a job portal website. This is a job portal, and let me open up the job portal sheet here, and this is the same thing you will get here on the job portal sheet. So this is the jobs data sheet here. Okay, and let me open up. This is opening and it will show you all the jobs. Okay, so this is job title, department, number of post, status, and this is how it's look like in your job portal. See. Okay, now what you can do, you can do the changes. For example, right now I am here, the this thing is built out, so I want to change the list. Suppose this is right now in the layout of the cards, I can make it the table. Here you can see this is a table, I can make it list. Okay, so you can change that. Then we have also the, I want to add the columns, I can do that. I am liking the cards, so I'm selecting the cards here. Then we have the cover images, I can select, I can add the cover image. I have the change of the term, title, badges, I can do that. Okay, then this is only the for the layout. We have the cover image, we have the buttons, I want to add the buttons, I can do that. Even I want to add a custom field, that the data I want to show from the table, I can add the custom field, and here I can just add, like it can be the badge, it can be the heading, I can do that. Then we have the design section. In the design section we have the header, I want to enable or disable, I want to enable. Okay, and this is for the other things like the subtitles. I can add the custom button here. In the custom button I have to add the URL, and I want to open up in the new tab or the same tab, I can consider that here. Then this is the settings. In the settings we have the, like I want to remove the Shareables logo, I can do that. I want to change the website logo or language, I can do that. I want to connect the custom domain, my one of the domain, I can easily connect that. Okay, so that's how it's look like. And let me also give you the one more thing that is really exciting. Even if you don't want to do it on the custom domain, there's the publish and the share option available, and here's the share and the embed. You will get the script that you can paste on your website. Okay, then you have also the iframe. Simply copy this iframe link here and paste any part of your website. This whole page start appearing on your own website. How amazing and crazy it is. Okay, so that thing you can also do it using the Shareable. So this tool is the pretty easy to use. You have the data sources like your Google Sheet, Notion, or the Airtable. You have to simply connect with the one click and your website ready to share or embed or publish here. Okay, so right now this amazing platform is available on the app, so starting from the just $59. Yes, you don't have to pay any yearly or the monthly subscription prices. You have to pay the just one-time payment and you can get its lifetime deal. If I compare to its monthly pricing, let me go to the official pricing page. You can see we have the pricing of the $4, $8, and $13 a month, and this is the how many the widgets and the projects you can create. In the one project you can create the 3 widgets. So this is the one site I have created. Okay, and this is called the widget here. Okay, so you can only create up to the 3 widgets in this single tier plan because we have this monthly plan available. But if I compare with the lifetime deal, let me go till the end of the pricing section, and you can see in the even one tier plan I can create up to the 10 widgets here. Okay, and I know I can just create the one website, but we have the 10 widgets and the one product. So what I suggest, go at least with the tier 2 or the tier 3 plan, because here we have the multiple projects limits and the widgets I can create, and all these features you are going to get here with the its own custom domain and the SSL. You are going to get its own hosting, you are going to get here. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I want to talk about, even if you don't have your own hosting, just get the Shareables, connect your Google Sheets or the Airtable or the Notion, and connect your custom domain, and your website is launched that you can easily manage from your Google Sheets. So if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal link is given in the description. And that's all for today's video. Bye bye, take care, I will see you in the next one.